first day at a new job.
Hello, I am new.
Welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Let me show you around.
Thank you. Please do.
This is your desk.
It looks very nice.
Here is your computer login.
Thank you for that.
Meetings are every morning.
What time do they start?
9 o'clock, usually.
I will remember that.
Lunch break is at noon.
How long is lunch?
1 hour, typically.
That sounds reasonable.
Any questions so far?
Where is the bathroom?
Down the hall, left side.
Thank you for showing me.
You are very welcome.
Who do I ask?
I am always available.
That is reassuring. Thank you.
We are glad you came.
I am excited to start.
This is your first project.
What should I do first?
Read this document first.
I will start right away.
Do not hesitate to ask.
I will remember that.
Here is the team list.
Thank you very much.
You will meet everyone soon.
I look forward to that.
Take your time today.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Is your badge working?
Yes, it is working.
Great. That is important.
What time do we finish?
5 o'clock, usually.
I will remember that too.
Enjoy your first day.
Thank you so much.
Glad to have you here.
I am glad to join.
Let us get started then.
Yes, let us start.
Thank you for your help.
Happy to help you.
Anytime at all.
Do I need a photo?
Yes, right this way.
Thanks for everything.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Welcome aboard.
Asking for a day off. Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
I need a day off.
Which day exactly?
Next Friday, please.
What is the reason?
A family event.
That sounds important.
Yes, it is important.
I will check the schedule.
Thank you for checking.
You are covered that day.
That is wonderful. Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Do I need a form?
Yes, right here.
I will fill it now.
Take your time.
Here is the form.
Thank you for that.
Will I still get paid?
Yes, this is paid leave.
That is a relief.
Glad to hear that.
Should I tell my team?
Yes, that would help.
I will tell them today.
Sounds like a good plan.
Who covers my work?
Sarah will cover it.
I will let her know.
That would be helpful.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course, no problem.
I really appreciate this.
You deserve time off.
That means a lot.
We value our employees.
I am grateful for that.
You are welcome, truly.
I will be back Monday.
See you then.
Thank you again.
Enjoy your day off.
I definitely will.
Have a great time.
I appreciate your support.
Anytime at all.
Should I email you too?
Yes, that would help.
I will send that now.
Perfect. Thank you.
Is there a form deadline?
2 days before, ideally.
I will remember that.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks for everything.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. See you Monday.
Calling in sick to work. I am feeling very sick.
Sorry to hear that.
I cannot come in today.
That is completely understandable.
What should I do?
Please rest and recover.
I will do that.
Do you need anything?
No, I am okay.
Let me know if needed.
I will, thank you.
Take as long as needed.
I appreciate your understanding.
Your health comes first.
Thank you for saying that.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, tomorrow morning.
Let me know the results.
I will, of course.
Feel better soon.
Thank you very much.
Should I tell the team?
Yes, please tell them.
I will handle that.
I appreciate that so much.
Do not worry about work.
That helps me relax.
Your work will wait.
Thank you for understanding.
We care about our team.
That means a lot.
Get plenty of rest.
I will, I promise.
Will you need more days?
I am not sure yet.
Just let us know.
I will update you tomorrow.
That sounds good.
Thank you for being patient.
Of course, take care.
I really appreciate this.
We are here for you.
That is comforting. Thank you.
Feel better, truly.
I will try my best.
That is all we ask.
Should I check email later?
No, just rest today.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Your health matters most.
I will follow your advice.
Good, that is wise.
Thank you for caring.
We always care, truly.
I feel better already.
That is great to hear.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
I will see you soon.
Take care, feel better.
Asking for a raise? Can we talk briefly?
Sure, what is it?
I want to discuss salary.
Okay, I'm listening.
It has been 2 years.
Yes, that is true.
I have taken more responsibility.
You have done well, actually.
Thank you for noticing that.
You are a valuable employee.
I would like a raise.
Let me review your performance.
Thank you for considering it.
You have earned this raise.
That means so much.
You deserve it. Truly.
How much of an increase?
5%. Starting next month.
That sounds fair to me.
I'm glad you agree.
When will it take effect?
Your next paycheck, actually.
That is wonderful news.
You worked hard for this.
I really appreciate the recognition.
You're very welcome.
Is there anything else needed?
Just sign this form.
I will sign it now.
Thank you for that.
Thank you for the raise.
You earned every bit.
This motivates me even more.
Keep up the great work.
I definitely will.
We appreciate your effort.
That means a lot.
You are a great asset.
Thank you for saying that.
You are welcome, truly.
Should I expect a review?
Yes, every 6 months.
I will prepare for that.
Sounds like a good plan.
Will this affect my bonus?
Yes, it will increase too.
That is excellent news.
You have earned it, truly.
Thank you for the opportunity.
You have shown real growth.
I will keep improving.
We believe in you.
That means so much.
You are doing great work.
Thank you for the feedback.
Anytime. Keep it up.
Thanks for everything.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Congratulations again.
Giving notice to resign. Can we talk privately?
Sure. What is going on?
I am resigning, actually.
Sorry to hear that.
Thank you for understanding.
What is the reason?
A new opportunity elsewhere.
That makes sense. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
When is your last day?
2 weeks from today.
I will update the schedule.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
We will miss you here.
I will miss everyone too.
You have been excellent here.
Thank you for saying that.
Will you train your replacement?
Yes, I am happy too.
That would be very helpful.
I want a smooth transition.
We appreciate that. Truly.
I really enjoyed this job.
We enjoyed having you too.
That means a lot.
Will you need a reference?
Yes, if that is possible.
Of course. Happy to help.
Thank you so much.
You earned a great reference.
I really appreciate that.
What is your new role?
A similar position, actually.
That sounds like a fit.
I think so too.
We wish you the best.
Thank you for everything here.
It was a pleasure. Truly.
I feel the same way.
Keep in touch, please.
I definitely will.
Good luck with everything.
Thank you again.
Thanks for everything.
Should I write a letter?
Yes, that would help.
I will write it today.
Thank you for that.
Will my benefits end soon?
They end that day.
Good to know. Thank you.
Any questions before you go?
Not right now, thanks.
Feel free to ask anytime.
I appreciate that offer.
We wish you well.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
Good luck out there.